My name is Pramod Voleti. I'm one of the sports medicine specialists here at Montefiore. I've been at Montefiore since 2016. I chose to go into a field in medicine because I was interested in helping people, and I found that orthopedic surgery was really the best way for me to do that. Orthopedic surgeons see a wide variety of pathology, and we're able to fix a lot of the issues that we see either with conservative management or sometimes with surgery. I have a particular interest in sports medicine because I enjoy taking care of athletes. I think athletes present a specific type of patient that have very specific needs, and we're able to address those with some of the technologies and techniques that we have in sports medicine. Athletes also have a very strong desire to get back to their previous activity level because of their interest in their sport, and we're able to help them achieve those goals with the techniques that we have. For me, the most gratifying part of my job is seeing patients improve their quality of life and get back to the activities that they are interested in performing. That type of gratification is the reason why I went into sports medicine.